Hi, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What happened? No one said good morning till now. LTYDG has only said good morning, Pavitra, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, Aditya, good morning, Vijay, good morning. Manogna, good morning, Manish Chala, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Bagunara, everyone Manchi at home. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Bagunnara. Yeah, very good. Very good. I'm also Manchi. Directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi. If you are Manchi, I'm also Manchi. No problem. Pansar is also good. No problem. So what's going on at home? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? What's going on? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? What's going on? क्या हो रहा है घर पे CWS chilling with studying very good yeah sir we are also chilling with studying but we are not normal people sir normal people chill with movies games and everything we are chilling but we are chilling with studying we are ultra pro legend so we also chill, but till our NEET 2024, we will chill with only one thing. That is with hard work, yeah, with our studies. That is chilling with studying. Okay, no problem. Yeah, we are not normal people. Normal people chill by normal ways. We are ultra pro legends. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Shall we start with the class? I think in last class we were talking about relative motion. Relative motion I was talking about. I was saying you observer is the most powerful person. Observer will always treat himself at rest. He will give his velocity and acceleration to the object in opposite direction. Then we talk if the bodies are moving in the same direction, then their relative velocity will be v1 minus v2. If they are moving in opposite direction, relative velocity will become v1 plus v2. Then we can also find time of crossing, length of crossing by relative velocity. Is it okay? Then one last situation we talked yesterday, lift was there, lift going up, relative acceleration of the coin will be g plus a. If the lift is going down, relative acceleration of coin with respect to lift will be coming as g minus a. These are the things that we studied in the last class. Bolo ek bar. These are the things that we studied. Okay, no problem. Yeah, concept of relative motion we have completed, but some more type of question we will talk. Now we'll talk about one more type of question which is asked from here. One more type of question which is asked from here. Yeah, you can write convergence of particles. This is a special type of question which is famous question. Tomorrow question can come directly from here in your NEET exam. So you can write convergence of particles. Convergence of particles. Convergence of particles. Convergence of particles. The special type of question whose method I will tell you. I will tell you how to approach this type of question. Convergence of particles. Yeah. Shuru kare. Shall we start? Bolo ek bar. Shall we start from here? हाँ एक बार बोल दो भाई yeah no problem yeah so first thing you tell me what is meaning of convergence of particles. What is the meaning of convergence? What is meaning of convergence? What is meaning of convergence? What is meaning of convergence? Bolo. Convergence of particles. So what is meaning of word convergence? Convergence means not mixing, meeting of the particles. Meeting of the particles. All particles will merge at one point. All the particles will merge at one point. All the particles will meet at one point. That meeting is known as convergence. For example, if I keep party at my house, where everyone will come? If I keep party at my house, not for you, only for our faculty members. Yeah, if I keep party at my house, where everyone will come? Where everyone will come? At my house, definitely. So that is, my house is point of convergence. Everyone will follow different path, but finally they will come. I am just saying I will keep party. I am not saying I am keeping party. Yeah, someone is asking, sir, why, sir? So if I will keep party at my house, all the people will follow different path, and finally they will merge at one point. Finally they will come at one point. Finally they will meet at one point. This is known as convergence. So here question is asked to find time of convergence. Here it is asked to find point of convergence. So just see here how we'll be talking. Just see. Yeah, this is the meaning of convergence of particles. Just see. Yeah. Now how question will come? Dhyan dena, with the help of one question I will tell you formula also. I will tell you method also, which you can apply in every question which will come from convergence of particles. So dhyan dena, just see here. See the first question. How question is asked. Just see here. Yeah. So for example, they will say you like this. For example, they will say you like this. They will say, assume three, they will say you, three particles are placed at the three vertex of equilateral triangle. They will give you an equilateral triangle and they will say, let's name this equilateral triangle. I am naming three particles are present at the three vertex of equilateral triangle. One particle A is present, then B is present, then C is present. And they will also give you side length of equilateral triangle. Let's assume side length of equilateral triangle to be A. Yeah, okay. That is not there in the NEET syllabus, LTYDG. Somewhere if we'll get time we will do, otherwise it's not required. This is required. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So assume three particles are present at three vertex of equilateral triangle. These three particles are A, B and C. Now they will say you like this. They will say you like this. They will say you like this. A is always moving towards B with some velocity V. B is always moving towards C with some velocity V, equal speed. Speed will be same, yeah. And C is always moving towards A with the same speed V. They will say A is always moving towards B, B is always moving towards C, C is always moving towards A. No problem. This is what they will say. And they will ask you, find the point where these particles will converge, where they will all will converge. And they will also ask you, find time of convergence. Can you tell me where these particles will converge? Will they meet? Will they meet here? A is always moving towards B, B is always moving towards C, C is always moving towards A. Narayan Sai is saying correct. They will converge at the centroid, symmetrical point of the figure. For triangle, symmetrical point is centroid. If a square is there, symmetrical point will be center. If hexagon is there, symmetrical point will be center. Yeah. So for triangle, symmetrical point is centroid. They will converge at centroid. Now, be focused. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Some people think, sir, whether they will converge or not. Some people think whether they will meet or not. So don't think A is moving on this line. This is the first mistake. Students think, sir, A is moving on this line, B is moving on this line, C is moving on this line. They will never meet. People think like that. Always remember, it is not said that A is moving on line AB, B is moving on line BC, C is moving on line CA. No. What is said? A is always moving towards B. B is always moving towards C. C is always moving towards A. They are not moving on the sides of the equilateral triangle. A velocity is always towards B. So what will happen? What will happen? Just see here. Just see here. One, see how they will converge. One, see how they will converge. Yeah. A will move towards B. So in the beginning, A will see that B is here. That's why it will move towards B like this. Now B will see that C is here, so it will move towards C like this. Then C will see that A is here, so it will move towards A like this. But after this instant, now if you see, now A has reached here, B has reached here, and C has reached here. Now A will not move on this line because B is not present on this line now. Now B is present here. This is the main point. Why these particles will converge, sir? Why they will meet at the centroid? Someone says, sir, in the beginning B was here. That's why A was moving towards B like this. But now B is not here. B akada le do. B is here now. So that's why now A will move towards B like this. B will say that C is not here. C has come here. So it will move towards C like this. And C will say that A is not here. A has come here. So it will move towards A like this. You can see now they are going to converge. Now you can see they are coming towards each other. Now after this, C will say that B is not here. A will say that B is not here. B has come here. B has come here, C has come here, A has come here. Now A will say that B is here, so it will move towards B. B will say that C has come here, it will move towards C. C will say that A has come here, it will move towards A like this. So finally these particles are going to converge at the symmetrical point. Convergence will happen at the symmetrical point. And symmetrical point for the triangle is centroid. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bolo bolo ek baar, is it okay? How these particles are converging at the centroid? Chamka kya? Bolo bolo bolo. Well, again, the happened. They are not moving on the sides of equilateral triangle. A is moving towards B. If B will change its position, A will also change its direction of motion. Bolo. H. Potter, leave it. Yeah, okay. Everyone got idea why they will converge at the centroid? Then I will tell you how to calculate. Yeah, Ardhbenda sir. No problem, no problem. Yeah, everyone got the idea, sir. A is not moving on the side of equilateral triangle. A is moving towards B. So once B will change its position, direction of A velocity will also change. So that's why you can see A velocity has changed. No problem, no problem. Yeah, they will meet at the centroid of the triangle. Now, question is not asked only to find point of meeting. Question is asked, find the time after which these particles will converge. This is the question which will come in the NEET exam. How to find time of convergence. Dhyan dena, how to calculate time of convergence. Just see here. I will simply say, sir, if A and B will meet, C will also meet na baba. Are A and B, C is coming looking at A only na. So if you take two particles, if two particles will meet, all the particles will meet. So I'll say, okay, sir, let's take two particles and think after how much time they will meet. Just see here, yeah. Okay, no problem, yeah. So let's take two particles A and B. So this is our A and this is our particle B. Now A velocity, if you look at A velocity is in which direction? A velocity is always towards B. And B velocity, can you tell me where is B velocity? Come on, tell me, B velocity is in what direction? Bolo bolo. B velocity is in which direction? Are bol do bhai. Are B velocity is in which direction? Twarga. A velocity is towards B, which is appearing in the diagram. Where is B velocity? It's towards C. Somewhere C will be there. Somewhere C will be there. No problem, no problem. So B velocity will be towards C. Now dhyan dena, be focused, just see here. Okay, no problem, yeah. So A velocity is towards B, sir, B velocity is towards C, no problem, yeah. And separation between A and B we know, sir. Separation between A and B is given as small a, that is the side length of equilateral triangle. Now dhyan dena, just see here, yeah. If you observe carefully, I am talking about general situation. For example, this angle is theta. Depending on the type of diagram, depending on type of figure, value of theta will change. So I'm just talking about general situation, sir. When this theta, for any situation when angle is theta, in that situation you'll realize that velocity of B is also towards A. Actually, B velocity is towards C. But if you observe, you'll realize carefully, if this is V, this is theta. So one velocity of B is also towards A. That will be coming as, this is V, this is theta. So component of B velocity is also towards A. That will come V cos theta. That means if you observe carefully, you will realize that A is going towards B with speed V and B is going towards A with V speed V cos theta. And you know separation between them, this separation is A. That means you can calculate the time. You have studied time. Separation by relative velocity. What is their relative velocity? Batao. Both are in opposite direction. One is v, one is v cos theta. In opposite direction, you know v1 plus v2. So time taken will become a distance by relative speed. That is v plus v cos theta. This is a master formula to calculate time of convergence. You can use everywhere. Depending on figure, value of theta will change. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Everyone got the idea? Depending on figure, value of theta will change. So time of convergence will come a by v plus v cos theta. A by v plus v cos theta. Keep this formula in your mind. If you forget, derive in one line, then use it. Everyone got? एक बार बोल दो. A by v plus v cos theta. A by v plus v cos theta. Depending on figure, value of theta will change. Tomorrow, three situations are asked. One will be equilateral triangle, theta will be 60 degree. If it is a square, theta will be 90 degree. If it is hexagon, v sin theta is there, but that is not our interest. Everything is not our interest. Our interest for A and B to meet. For meeting v sin theta requirement le do. Meeting v cos theta is required. That's why we are taking only v cos theta. Bolo, done, 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 done. Sai Madhav, you understood? V sin theta is there, but that is not our requirement. We are smart people. We use only those things which we require. Boldo. Yeah, no problem, no problem. So this is how we can talk about. So come on, tell me what is time of convergence. Come on, everyone will say, what is time of convergence? A by v plus v cos theta. If you cannot type, you have to speak, then only you will be able to remember. Tell me time of convergence. A by v plus v cos theta. And no sound is coming. Say to me, what is time of convergence? A by v plus v cos theta. एक बार बोल दो. A by v plus v cos theta. A by v plus v cos theta. Depending on figure, value of theta will change. So three figures are asked here. You can calculate them very fast. First one is asked for equilateral triangle. Tell me for equilateral triangle, what value of theta we will take? जल्दी बता दो. Second one is asked for square. For square, what value of theta we will take? Third one is asked for hexagon. For hexagon, what value of theta we will take? एक बार बता दो फटाफट. त्वरगा. Because if you know the theta, you can find very good. Shyam Pola very good. Vagdevi very good. Manish Chala very good. Farida very good. For equilateral triangle, theta will be 60 degree. For a square, theta will be 90 degree. And for hexagon, theta will be 120 degree. And if you know this, you can find the time. For equilateral triangle, we know the formula, sir. A by v plus v cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That will become A by v plus v by 2. That will become finally A by 3v by 2. That means it will come 2a by 3v. This is the time in the case of equilateral triangle. Very good. No problem. चलो स्क्वायर के केस में बताओ. सेम फॉर्मूला. A by v plus v cos 90. Cos 90 कितना होगा? जल्दी बताओ. Cos 90 कितना होगा? जल्दी बताओ. त्वरगा भाई. हरिता वेरी गुड. त्वरगा. पवित्रा वेरी गुड. कुसुमा वेरी गुड. Tell me about the time. Cos 90 का वैल्यू बताओ. Cos 90 0. That means this will become A by V. For hexagon बताओ. Cos 120 V plus V cos theta. Theta is 120. What is cos 120? एक बार जल्दी बताओ. What is cos 120? What is cos 120? त्वरगा. Cos 120. Third situation. Cos 120 एंता. No one given answer. Cos 120. Pramoda has given answer directly. Very good. Yeah, that will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. That cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So it will become A by V minus V by 2. That means it will become A by V by 2. That will become 2A by V. Is it okay? Everyone will be able to do. Can I be 100% sure if they will ask you question from the convergence, you will be able to do? Yeah, very good. Everyone got? बोल दो एक बार. We will move further. We will talk about one more type of question. या बहुत बढ़िया. And everyone will be able to do or not. No one said anything. Only Pavitra has said yes, sir. You should put the confidence, yes, sir, definitely. Kar lenge. What's big deal? We know the formula. A by V plus V cos theta. Depending on figure, theta will change. And only these three will come. No fourth question will come. Because for that angle will become unknown. You cannot find those. Yeah, very good. Bahut badhiya, bahut badhiya, bahut badhiya. No problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See both. So see all this situation. We will move towards next type of question. We'll move towards next type of question. एक बार देख लो, we will move further. One more type of question we will talk. Concept already అయిపోయింది. Once completed, you can say done, sir. अरे बोलो. Done, sir. And I know once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. No problem. Very good. बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Now see, we are going to move towards one more type of question. One more type of question. Yeah. Okay. No problem. No problem. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना. You may have seen some questions are asked. ध्यान देना. Be focused. ध्यान देना. Be focused. Yeah. You may have seen some questions are asked where they will say about one car overtaking other car. Or they will say one thief is there, police is chasing the thief. Or they will say two cars are doing racing. So we are going to talk about that type of situation. That situation is our racing between two cars, or you can say chasing of two cars. Race also means chasing. Or if you are winning the race, you are overtaking someone or overtake. This type of situations we are going to target. Racing or chasing or overtake. Is it okay? This type of question we will talk. Whenever they will ask racing between the two cars or chasing between the two bodies or overtake of one car by another car, how to deal with those type of situation, we are going to talk. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bol do ek baar. Ha, Vijay already said okay, sir. No problem. Yeah. Okay, no problem, Pavitra. But be focused, then only you'll get idea. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay. ध्यान देना. Before that, I will ask you something. Acha, for winning the race or for overtake, what is more important? What is required? For overtake or winning the race, what is required? What is required? For example, if I say if I am driving my car with 100 km per hour, can I overtake someone who is having a speed of 20 km per hour? Everyone is saying speed is required. ध्यान देना, be focused. Yeah. We generally think that for overtake, speed is required, which is completely wrong. Always remember, for overtake, speed is not that much important. Relative velocity is not damn to what I'm trying to tell. Acceleration is related with speed only, Baba. Acceleration is related with speed. Now, dhyan dena, yeah. Achha, tell me, if I'm driving my car with 100 km per hour, can I overtake someone who is driving with 20 km per hour? Tell me yes or no. I'm driving my car with 100 km per hour. Can I overtake someone who is driving with 20 km per hour? Can I overtake? Can I overtake? People are saying easily you can. Oh no. You tell me now again, I will change the question. Yeah. You are saying yes, I will change the question. Achha, tell me, if I am driving my car with 100 km per hour in Hyderabad, someone is driving his car with 20 km per hour in Vijayawada, can I overtake him? Can I overtake him? Can I overtake him? Can I overtake him? Always remember, for overtake, it is understood, Baba, for overtake velocity has to be more. But velocity is not something which will give you answer. Your answer will come with the help of position. It will come with the help of speed. Someone is driving with 200 km per hour in America cannot overtake someone driving with 1 km per hour in India. For overtake, important is the distance. Important is the position. So always remember all question. And it is understood, if overtake is happening, behind person must have more speed. Definitely, that is understood. Are you getting my point? For overtake, speed is not important. Don't think my speed is more so I can overtake. No. Position is important. Distance is important. Is it okay? Did you got this idea? So for solving, we will always talk about distance. We will always talk about position. Boldo, did you got the idea? If you have got the idea, then everything will come now. Now dhyan dena. So for overtake, for chasing, for racing, important is not speed. It is already understood. If overtake is happening, speed of one car is more than another car. That is understood. But our answer will come, our relation will come with the help of distance, with the help of position. Now dhyan dena, just see here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Now dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. Here two types of situations will come. First situation, both cars will start from the same place. And second situation will come, one car will start from behind. Two situations will come, just see here. Yeah. First situation, they will say, two cars are starting from the same place. Of course, starting of race happen from the same place. Yeah. They will say two cars. Let's assume this is car A, this is car B. Maybe car A has initial velocity. Maybe car B has no initial velocity, but car B has acceleration. So in the beginning, if car A has initial velocity, it will move very fast, but car B has acceleration. Slowly, its speed will increase. Slowly, distance covered by it will increase. So finally, B may overtake A. Now, dhyan dena, just see here. Yeah. So first situation, they will say both cars are starting from the same place. Now they are going to overtake. One car is going to overtake another car. Maybe A is overtaking B, B is overtaking A. No problem. You tell me when they will overtake. They will be at the same place or they will be at two different places. You tell me when they will overtake, they will be at the same place or two different places. Bolo, when they will overtake. When B will overtake A, they will be at the same place or different place. Bolo. Huh? और एक बार बोलो where they same place baba chi how two different place one is in Hyderabad one is in Vijayawada can overtake that you are saying different place same place na baba not on the same line of course we are not talking about collision they will be at the same place point is both cars started from the same place if one car is going to overtake another car that means they will again come at the same place. Again, maybe previously A was moving fast, B was moving slow, but slowly B is increasing its speed. After some time, B will come at the same position of A. And this is the situation where overtake is going to happen. So at the time of overtake, both cars will be located at the same place. If they are located at the same place, sir, how to relate there? How to relate there? Different things. So I simply say, sir, they started the race from the same place. At the time of overtake also they will be at the same place. So I'll say, whatever the distance A will travel, that is I am writing SA. And whatever the distance which B will travel, I am writing as SB. You tell me who will be more, SA or SB? They started the race from the same place. Now B is going to win the race. B is going to finish the race. B is now going to overtake. Both will be equal. If they are starting from the same place and if they are going to overtake each other, that means distance must be equal. I will simply say here, sir, SA will be equal to SB. This is the first case that we talk here. And these distances you have to calculate using equation of motion. UT, second equation will be used because they will always talk in the terms of time. UT plus half AT square. Bolo, is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? This is the first case of racing or overtake. This is what I was saying you. Velocity is not important. Important is their distance. Everyone got the idea? Bolo, Torga. So you will equate their distance, you will get the answer. And for distance, we have to use equation of motion. एक बार बोल दो भाई. So this is the first case when our cars start from the same place. They will start from the same place, they will finish the race at the same place. Sir, no logic, nothing. What is that logic, Alexander? What logic you want? And they are starting from the same place now. If me and Pansar are starting from same house, and I am crossing Pansar at Bench Circle, both are starting from the same place, ending the race at the same place. Who traveled more distance? Equal distance. So SA will be equal to SB. Now SA and SB you have to calculate using equation of motion. बोल दो एक बार. Done. Now second situation. ध्यान देना, be focused. Yeah. Second type of question which is asked from here. Just see. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Second type of question which is asked from here. They will say one car is starting and other car is starting from behind. You can see one car, now again two cars, same two car I am taking, but now one car is starting from front and other car is starting from behind. For example, let's assume they will also give you distance, initial separation between the cars they will give you. They will give you initial separation between the cars as D. Now again they will say this car is moving, okay, no problem. This is car A, this is car B. Now car B is moving, car A is moving. Again they will say car B is overtaking car A. Again overtake will happen means they will be at the same location. They will be at the same position. Now also tell me if this car A travel distance SA, car B travel distance SB. Now can you tell me still SA and SB will be equal? बोल दो, come on Twarga. Does now still SA and SB will be equal? जल्दी बताओ. Does SA and SB will be again equal? Now not equal because B is starting your race from behind now. B is starting your race from behind now. Can you tell me who will travel more distance now? If B is going to overtake A, who will travel more distance? Batao. Who will travel more distance? Who will travel more distance? Now B will travel more distance. B will travel more distance. So that's why I will say, sir, if you do from here, sir, how to relate them? B will travel more distance. So that's why SB minus SA. You can see this is your SA, this is your SB. So SB minus SA. Can you tell me how much this will come? SB minus SA will be equal to how much? Bata do. SB minus SA will be equal to how much? That will be equal to initial separation T. This will help you to solve the question. Is it okay? Bolo, 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 bolo. Everyone got? This is the process that you have to use. Now this distance you have to calculate using equation of motion. Everyone got the idea? Why sir? Hari Surya क्या हो गया भाई? पागल हो गया क्या? This will travel distance more, this will travel distance less. So how much more distance B will travel? इतना नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. If you don't, you are not able to understand that and leave such questions. अरे how much distance? B is traveling more distance ना भाई. A is traveling less distance ना. I travel 12 kilometer, Pansar travel 8 kilometer. Acha, you said yes, sir. Okay, I know that. Yeah, again I wanted to explain. That's why I took your. Yeah, okay. I travel 12, Pansar travel 8. What is the initial separation between me and Pansar? Come on. I travel 12, Pansar travel 8. What is the initial separation between me and Pansar? Batao. What is the initial separation between me and Pansar? That is 4. That is the same thing. I am behind. That's why I am traveling more. So my distance minus Pansar distance will be equal to 4. Yeah, the same thing we are using here. Is it okay? Bolo ek bar. Then we'll start with some question. Bolo ek bar. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. So see once again for the last time. See here. No problem. Questions are asked. First thing. Both cars starting from the same place. Maybe one car has more initial velocity, but other car has acceleration now. So the car which has acceleration will always win because its velocity will increase slowly. So in the beginning, for example, in the beginning, first car has more velocity, so it will move very fast. But second car has acceleration. Finally, second car will overtake the first car. You tell me if they are starting from the same place, how you will relate them? If the two cars are starting from the same place, now overtake is going to happen. How you will relate them? How you will relate them? Will you relate by their velocity? Will you relate by their velocity? Bolo, will you relate by their velocity? No, sir. Velocity is never important in overtake. Important is the distance. Distance must be same. They have started from same place. They are ending at the same place. Means distance must be equal. Is it okay, Bolo? First situation. Tell me if one car starts from behind, then who will travel more distance? Bolo. If one car starts from behind, who will travel more distance? If the one car starts from behind, who will travel more distance? Jaldi batao. Alexander, you are not giving answer. Some Alexander was there. Behind one will travel more distance. Enta more distance. Enta more. Kitna jada? How much more? How much more? Equal to initial separation. Whatever initial separation. Now we'll start with one question. You write. Come on. You write. Yeah. Okay. No problem. You can write. You write. Yeah. That will be equal to SB minus SA. That will be equal to initial separation D. Now you can write the question. You can write. Yeah, Alexander, I will give question. Now you understood? Alexander, समझा क्या? Alexander said no logic, sir. Chepo? No problem. We don't have that much of time. You can write one question. Yeah. Okay. You write. Two cars starts race. Previous year NEET question. Two cars starts race from the same location. Two cars. Maybe Pavitra, yeah. In app little lag is there. Yeah. Two cars start race from the same location. One with constant velocity of 20 meter per second. Two cars start race from same location. One with constant velocity of 20 meter per second. And other with constant acceleration of 2 meter per second square, and other with constant acceleration of 2 meter per second square. If they finishes the race, yeah Pavitra, yeah. If they finishes the race after same time, finishing line of race will be same. If they finishes the race after same time, find that time. If they finishes the race after same time, find that time. Always draw one small diagram that will give you feeling, and then only you'll be able to solve the question. If you feel any difficulty, draw the diagram, collect the data. That will always help you. Never solve question of chasing, racing without drawing diagram. Find the time. Visheshya 10 will come or 20 will come. Thoda dekho. They are starting from the same place. Race finishing will be at the same place. So their distances must be equal. Aditya said the correct answer. Very good, Aditya. First car has constant velocity, acceleration will be 0. Second car, acceleration, initial velocity will be 0. Syam Pola, very good. Visheshya, very good. Farida, very good. In app, no answer came till now. Manish Chala, very good. रिमेनिंग पीपल जल्दी त्वरगा भाई. हाँ आदित्य फॉर या ओके UT will be equal to correct. Very good Aditya. Because for first car acceleration is 0. Amrut Anand very good. 20 will come. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Suma Jara very good. Remaining people, come on. 60 people are watching. Only 3-4 people are giving answer. Come on, everyone answer has to be given. Harita very good. बहुत बढ़िया. अरे आकाश, we will talk about Rainman problem, Baba. You can find final velocity V equal to U plus AT. You can find no problem. Vijay very good. You can find everything. Yeah, Subjara is saying also how to solve Manogra. Very good, very good. Hari Surya very good. Srikara very good. Now just see here how we'll be talking. Just see here. No problem. Yeah. Those who are feeling any difficulty, see for the last time, then do the next question. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Nothing to be difficulty here. It's very easy, but little understanding is required. That's why for 10-15 minutes I told you about understanding. So dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. If anyone is getting any doubt, that will come here. And second thing, I will also tell you few more things which can be asked here. Just see here, yeah. Always remember, whenever anyone says about racing of car or overtake, never solve without drawing the diagram. Because diagram will always give you clarity. I will simply say, sir, what is given? Both cars are starting from the same place. For first car, initial velocity 20. Acceleration 0. For second car, sir, it is starting with constant acceleration 2, initial velocity 0. Sir, they are finishing the race at the same time. Our finish line of race will be always same for all the cars. Both cars will have same finishing line. So that means they are starting from same place and finally they are reaching at the same place, and they are also reaching in the same time t. That means I can say, sir, distance covered by A must be equal to distance of B. That means I will say, sir, SA will be equal to SB. Now SA you can find. I told you distance you have to calculate using equation of motion. So SA you can find 20 into T, UT plus half A. For A, what is acceleration? 0. 0 into T square. SB you can find, so that will come UT, but U is 0, so 0 into T plus half A. What is A? A is 2 into T square. Now this will become 0, from here you will get 20, T will be equal to half and 2 cancel, that will be equal to T square. T cancel, that means time will come 20 seconds. So this is the time when they are finishing the race. Now some question can be also asked like this. Find the distance of the race. They can ask you, find the total distance of race. Can you find the distance of race? Already you calculated na. These are the distance na baba. So you can find distance of race also. For car A you can find 20 into T. Because remaining is 0. T is 20. That will come 400. This is the total length of race track. Tomorrow, instead of asking you, very good Aditya, yeah, very good Visheshya, instead of asking you time, they can ask you, find the total length of the racetrack. So you can find from there, yeah. Or you can use this car also for finding, because same time, same distance they have traveled. That is coming as T square. That is 20 square. That will come 400 meter. Is it okay? Bolo. In place of asking you time, they can also ask you, find the distance of the racetrack. They are first find time, then you can calculate. You can also find the velocity of the car B. Car B velocity also you can find when it is overtaking car A. A velocity is fixed, but B velocity you can find when it is finishing the race. You can find the velocity of car B. Bolo kitna aega? You can use equation of motion. B equal to U plus AT. What is U? U is 0. A is how much? 2 into T. How much time? 20. That will come 40 meter per second. This is what I was saying you at the time of overtake. Important is not velocity. Velocity will not be equal. Equal may be distance. बोलो हो जाएगा त्वरगा जल्दी बोलो हो जाएगा. I will give you one more question. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन बनाओ त्वरगा. Do one more question. Come on. Yeah, बहुत बढ़िया. Do one more question. चलो. This time I will give you diagram. I will give you diagram. You have to see the diagram and you have to get by yourself. No problem. Yeah, you write. You write. Find the time after which. Find the time after which. Find the time after which car B. Find the time after which car B will overtake car A. Overtake means they will come at the same place. Find the time after which car B will overtake car A. I'm just thinking about data. It is moving with constant velocity. It is, yeah. Find the time after which car B will overtake car A. This is moving with constant velocity of 18 meter per second. Its acceleration is 0. And this separation is given as 80 meter. Find the time after which car B will overtake car A. You may have seen some question, find the time after which cyclist will overtake the bus. Like that. One may be bus, one may be cyclist. Now distance traveled will not be equal because B is starting from behind. B has to travel more distance. B has to travel more distance. So that's why you write SB minus SA equal to Vishesha. What is that time? 1440 seconds. That much coming. Sumjara is also saying 1440 seconds. No, I don't feel. Quadratic equation will be formed now. You have to solve quadratic. Yeah. Syam Pula is saying something correct. But Syam, two answers are coming, I think. 8 second and 10 second. Two answers will come. देखो एक बार quadratic equation को. एक बार देखो quadratic equation को. 140 second. क्या कर रहे हो? Sumjara, you are saying correct. Sumajara is now saying correct. 8 and 10 will come. But both cannot be answered now. Both cannot be answered now. Only one answer will be possible. Either 8 or 10. You have to think which is the answer. 8 or 10. Eight or 10. Yeah, okay, no problem. Sam, that's correct. You can simply factorize. Normal quadratic equation will come. No need to use minus b plus minus under root of b square. You can use that, but easily it will come. Factorization you can do. No problem, no problem. I don't have that much of time because we have to start little bit in Rain Man problem also. So एक बार देख लो, yeah. Both will come positive. LTY DG, both will come positive. It will come 10 and 8. Both positive answers will come. No one will be negative. Both has some meaning. I will tell you. They are just here. No problem, no problem. Come on, tell me. You can find SA and SB now. Tell me how you will relate SA and SB. How you will relate SA and SB? Tell me who will travel more, B or A? Jaldi batao. Twarga Chepandi. SA and SB, who will be more? Jaldi batao. SA and SB, who will be more? SB will be more. SB. That means I can say, sir, SB minus SA will be equal to. B is behind, sir. Behind will travel more distance. Enter more distance. Initial separation. That will be equal to 80. Now SB you can find because it has initial velocity. Acceleration 0. So SB you can find UT 18 into T plus half AT square. A is 0 into T square. This is SB. minus SA you can find. For SA u is 0. So 0 into t plus half AT square, that is 2 into t square. This will be equal to 80. Now these are 0, these are 0, means from here you will get equation 18t minus t square equal to 80. That means you can, this is a quadratic equation, this will get cancelled. Now you can just bring all in one direction. So from here you can write this as t square minus 18t plus 80 equal to 0. And you can do by factorization. You can use minus b plus minus 4ac, or you can directly write t square. You see 18 means 8 plus 10. 8 into minus 8 into minus 10 will give you. That means you can break it as minus 8t minus 10t plus 80 equal to 0. From here you can take t common. So it will give you t minus 8 into t minus 10 equal to 0. That means 2 times will come, sir. One time will come t equal to 8 second and 1 time will come t equal to 10 second. This is the answer you are getting. Bolo, 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 bolo. Not 18, Baba, 80. SA minus S, Pramoda. It's 80. Vishesha, you cannot do like that. Come on. Is it okay? These are the 2 values you are getting. Behind will travel more. That's why I'm asking you to draw the diagram. If you draw the diagram, you will get 100% clarity. Bolo, 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 bolo. But both cannot be answered now. Both cannot. One car cannot overtake same car 2 times. You tell me, is it possible for you to overtake same car once you overtake, then again you are overtaking? Are you in the time machine that you are overtaking the same car again and again? Is it possible? Is it possible, Bolo? Is it possible? Same car, can you overtake 2-3 times? Is it possible? No, dhyan do, be focused. Just see here how we will talk, how we will calculate here. Just see, yeah. Okay, dhyan dena, okay. So, what will happen here? Okay. So, 2 times came. One is 8 second, one is 10 second. Always remember, who is behind out of A and B? Who is behind? Batao. Out of A and B, who is behind? B is behind. So what will happen? First B will overtake A, then A will again overtake B. Dhyan do. B is behind na baba. B is behind. Can you overtake someone from front? No. You can overtake only from behind. So what will happen? First B will overtake A because B has more initial velocity. That's why first B will pass A. But A has acceleration now. 2 times are saying you to overtake. Here 2 overtake will happen. First B will overtake A, then again A will overtake B because A has acceleration, and if the acceleration is there, ultimate winner has to be A. But in the beginning B has more velocity, so that's why he will overtake. देखो यहाँ पे what will happen? Initially B has more velocity, so B will pass A, but again A will pass B. So first time is coming when 8 second is the time when B overtakes A, and 10 second is the time when A again overtakes B. समझ में आया क्या? 2 times are saying you about to overtake. First overtake is the person who is behind, that is B. Second overtake, once B will overtake, now who is behind? Now A is behind, so now again A will overtake B because A is having acceleration. Bolo, done. Twarga. कुछ समझे क्या? If they ask you when B will overtake A, 8 second, and when A will overtake B, that will come 10 second. These are the meaning of 2 times. 2 overtakes will happen. अरे एक बार बोल दो भाई, अर्धमेंदा वेलेगेंदी, कुछ समझे क्या? अरे first overtake will happen from the person which is behind now. I cannot overtake. I am first in the race. Can I overtake anyone? No. Overtake happen from only those people who are behind. So first, who is behind? First B is behind now, so first B will pass A. But A has acceleration now. Again A will pass B. B is like Kundelu, but A is like Thabelu. Ultimately, Thabelu will win. Are you getting idea? This is what happened in the race of rabbit and tortoise. Na baba, yahi to hua tha. In the beginning, rabbit was running very fast, but tortoise was having slow and steady na acceleration, increasing. Are you getting idea? Bolo, chamka kya? Finally, I'm asking. We'll move further. बोल दो अरे चमका समझ में आया. I have told you a very big doubt. People have lots of doubt in this. So 2 times कम क्या करूं, कौन सा टाइम लू, both are in option. अब क्या करूं, अब क्या, कुछ मत करो. The person which is behind will cross first. Then the person who now become front, that will be crossed by person behind. You can use relative also, but relative will not give you any understanding. That's why you can use relative motion also, but that will not give you any understanding. So this is more better way. So this is how we have talked about. Now we'll move further. You can write. Come on. We'll move further. You can write. Rain Man problem. Rain Man problem. Rain Man problem. अरे विजय, that is the Delhi Agra. हे भगवान, initial separation between Delhi and Agra given. अब मैं क्या करूं, विजयवाड़ा हैदराबाद लेके इतना टाइम थोड़ी है विजय. That is the same question. One car starting from Agra, one starting from Delhi. That is same thing, same way you have to do. Now we'll talk about Varsham Manishi Samasya, Rain Man problem. This week numericals will not come from here. This week just we have to start Rain Man problem. Rain Man problem, riverboat problem are not for this. Means numericals will not come, but we have to start them. So in Rain Man problem, what will happen? Varsham Manishi Samasya. What will happen? Batao. Tell me what will happen in Rain Man problem. बोलो in Rain Man problem what will happen? बोल दो, come on तोरगा. Rain Man problem. Rain Man problem. अरे जल्दी बताओ. वर्षा मनीषी समस्या. अच्छा, umbrella will help. Wow, I will help Baba. No one see about umbrella. Yeah. Okay. Man becomes weight. No problem. बहुत बढ़िया. Now ध्यान देना. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll just give you basic idea. Just we are starting. Numericals will not come in our weekend test from here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Always remember in Rain Man problem. Yeah, man will get weight. Yeah. So that rain does not. Yeah. Only Vijay is saying the targeted answer. Yeah. Okay. Now ध्यान दो. Always remember in Rain Man problem, you have to play with 3 velocity. As it is appearing, one is the rain velocity, one is the man velocity, and one is the velocity of rain observed by the running man. Dhyan do. In Rain Man problem, we have to play. Our name is Rain Man na Varsham Manishi Samasya. So in Rain Man problem, what will happen? One velocity will come. That is the velocity of rain. The velocity with which rain will fall, VR. We represent that velocity by VR. One is the velocity with which man will run. That is your VM. Velocity of man. Man will run. Man will not chill in the rain. Rain is falling and man will open his mouth to drink water. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. No, that will not happen. That will not happen. So this man will run in the rain. Maybe some emergency came, due to emergency he will run. So one will be the velocity of rain, one will be velocity of man, and one will be the velocity of rain with respect to man. So these 3 velocities you have to play. One is VR, one is VM, one is VRM. And you can always relate these 3 velocities using result. VRM will be equal to, you studied in the last class, VAB will be equal to VA vector minus VB vector. So VRM vector will be equal to VR vector minus VM vector. So this result can relate them. These are the three velocities which with you have to play. The way batsmen play with ball and bat and wicket. Three things batsmen play now. In the similar manner, you have to play with rain velocity, man velocity, and man velocity of rain observed by the man. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Done, 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 done. Is it okay? Bolo? Is it okay? Eh? So this is how, raincoat wear. Wow, MK has given me new concept I was not knowing. MK is saying, sir, if we wear raincoat, then umbrella not required. Wow. But that raincoat must not have leakage. MK, be careful. But raincoat always have leakage at very bad places. Yeah, so you have to be careful. Yeah. Better remain at home and study. No need to go out. Kitna आसान है. Chill with study. Rain is happening. होने दो rain. I will at the room and I will study. हो गया खत्म. Tata bye bye. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. No need to go outside in the rain. Yeah, okay, no problem. So from here we will start in the next class. For today we'll be ending our class here only. Rainman problem, just we need to start. Numericals will not come from here. From here we'll be talking bye. Man, paper, wow. Amrut, very nice. Man, paper, pen equal to NEET. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending our class here only. Tata, bye-bye. Study with responsibility. You are not doing normal study. हमेशा याद रखो. You are here. You are working for a target. You are not putting your knife in darkness. You already know the source of light. That is the NEET 2024. So prepare, work hard with full dedication, with full responsibility. Next year, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है तो बनना है. खत्म. Remaining things don't exist. बनना है तो बनना है. At any cost, I'll become doctor next year. With that attitude, work hard. From here, more situations we'll talk in next class. Come on. Yeah. Bye.